When working on high-end, show-quality classic vehicles or automotive displays, the fit and finish of the fasteners is just as important as the paint and bodywork. Chrome-plated fasteners can be damaged easily, especially when using standard metal spanners and sockets. That's why Laser Tools has introduced this specialist non-marring wrench and pry bar set. This 5-piece set features one non-marring pry bar and 4 double-ended spanners that usefully fit both metric and imperial sizes. As demonstrated on this plated bolt head, the spanners are tough and robust, but will not mark or damage the plated finish. Just what is needed to maintain and protect the fasteners on these sort of displays. Don't use a standard steel spanner. Do use one of our Laser Tools non-marring spanners. With top-class classic or show vehicles, fasteners can be plated, anodized, chemically passivated, or even painted. Lots of care and attention has been put into building and preparing these vehicles. That extra care and attention comes from a careful choice of specialist tools, such as this non-marring spanner set. Look after your pride and joy with Laser Tools. Sometimes you'll be required to use a socket rather than a spanner. Well, we can help with that as well. We have also introduced the non-marring socket inserts. This set of 6 inserts fits metric fasteners from 8mm to 17mm and are supplied with a snap-together metal ring to keep them tidy. Choose the correctly sized insert and slot it into the corresponding socket. For example, for a 13mm fastener, the insert fits into a 17mm socket. Here's a tricky one: how to pop off the chrome-plated hubcap without either damaging the chrome or the paint on the road wheel. Not a problem. The pry bar included in the 7464 set is the perfect tool for effective, damage-free removal. Look at the condition of this early Mini, but we've got to remove the headlight rim without damaging the paintwork. The pry bar is designed to ensure easy removal of this sort of item without damaging paintwork. These innovative and invaluable tool sets are available from your Laser Tools stockist now.